Sorry for it. Okay, again I will load it. Okay, it is a small data set. Now we can load it once again. Yes. Okay. So I have deleted that one. Now I will go to this get data and in with. And let us paste that particular link and now click on OK. And just mark this checkbox. The table will appear as well as this load and transform will appear. Then click on load. Okay. Okay, so here that particular data set is there and the name is all okay. All party wise list is there. When you will click over it, you can see different columns. Okay, so when you will go through the data view and you will select this one, you can see serial number, party name, number of members and percentage. Everything is clearly given to us. So now we can make a chart out of it. So I'm taking the same pie chart which they have made. Okay. And let us put this variables, which party name should come in legend, right? You can see over here. Party name is there in legend. This is legend, right? Whatever color dots are there, these are actually legend. And this is the slices in the pie chart. So I have made this party name in legend. And now let us take the number of members in values. Okay, the same pie chart we are getting, but with some different colors. We can change the color as we already know. Now just go to format and in slices, you can change those colors as per the requirement. Like BJP, you can make it orange in color as it was given over here, orange, red, right? Okay, instead of that, you can take some red color. Red was there already. Okay, so that's it. And since lot of parties were there, there is one drop down also. When you will click the drop down, you will get the rest of the party legends also. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is how you can, make visuals out of it. You can simply go to get data, scrape the data, get the table and make the visuals. If you want, you can export them also. Okay, so that is the thing. Now let us move on to the another topic, that is data modeling. Okay, before moving to data modeling, I just want to tell you a few things that there are two types of models. Okay. And before telling the models also, I want to tell you that there are two types of tables. One is fact table. Okay. One is fact table, which actually tells you that what is actually happening in the company. Okay, what is happening throughout an year or throughout a duration like that. It will tell you some data that you can directly use for the analysis and for checking the performance of a particular company or organization like that. Another particular table is dimension table. Okay, dimension. Actually, I'm writing with the help of mouse. That's why it's like that. So there are two types of table. One is fact table, another is dimension table. In case of fact table, you can see the performance of the company, what is happening in the company. And dimension tables are the tables which actually help to do this analysis. Like they are some static data, a kind of data which does not change day by day. Okay, some kind of static kind of data will be there. It may change after a period of time, but it will actually help to do the analysis. Okay, it is the supporting table and it is the main table. It is the main actor and it is the supporting actor. Is it clear, everyone? What is fact and what is dimension? It's clear to you? Okay. So we will first of all check out different tables and we will identify which types of tables they are. And later we will actually make the models, and there I will explain you about the models. Okay. So I'm going to delete these tables because we need to load more tables in order to understand that concept of data modeling. Okay. Okay, now what we have to do is go to get data. Okay, now some CSV tables are there. I will take them one by one. Okay, so here, yeah, these tables, first of all, let's take the customer table. Okay. So all of you, it is having data of the customers. Can you please tell me which type of table it is? It is a fact table or dimension table?
Fact table.
No,
Fact table.
it's a dimension table. The reason is number of customers are, I mean, some fixed customers are there. It is the list of some fixed customers. And it is not telling you what is happening in the company, right? It is the data of some customers. That's it. Isn't it? It will support you to do the analysis. It will not tell you that what is happening in the company. Isn't it? So I will load this and later I will rename it. Okay. So I am going to rename it as before that. See, this is the name of that entire table. Okay. So I'm going to rename it as D-customers. That means dimension table. Okay. D-customers. Right. So this was one table. Now let us move on to another table like CSV and product categories. Guys, it is a fact table or a dimension table. All of you?
Fact table.
It is a dimension table. It is some static data only. Na? See, if you're going through YoShop's website, there are some categories like toys, games, laptops, accessories, like that. Okay. These many categories are there, in which some subcategories are also there. Similarly, in case of this particular table, I will show you that table. Okay. This is the table. These are some categories only. Okay, what is the name of the table? It is product categories. Okay, so this is also a company, an organization in which some categories are there. Like it is a two-wheeler company in which bikes are there, components related to bikes are there, clothings like gloves and some clothings which are related for a two-wheeler rider. Those kind of clothings are there, accessories are there. So these are some categories of things available in that company. So it is putting a direct effect on the, I mean, it is actually telling you what is going on in the company. or it is a kind of static data?
Static data.
Static data.
Okay, so I will mention it as dimension table. Okay. I have to rename it again. This number is not required. Okay. So that's it. And let us take another data set. Go to CSV, and in there, product category is over. Now let's take products. Okay. So all of you, this is a dimension table or a fact table. It is giving us the data regarding the products. It is a dimension table again. I will show you fact table. There is a bit confusion, I understand.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So let us take another table. Okay. So the sales data is there. Now all of you tell me which type of table it is.
Dimension table.
It is a dimension table.
It is a fact table.
Fact table में.
Correct.
Ma'am, what
Okay.
is the key?
See,
मैम एक
what
बार
is
डिफरेंस
happening
बता दो
over here?
अच्छे से.
Yeah,
What is
actually,
the key
see what is
difference?
happening over here. 1st January 2015. It is sales of 2015 year. 1st January 2015. This particular the product of this particular product key, and this was the customer, and this was the product key. Like customer key and product key point outs the customer name and product name, right? And the territory also, in which territory they are, and what is the number of items, what is the line item, order line item, and what is the number of items they have purchased. So it is showing us the data, the thing that what happened on 1st January 2015. And next thing is what happened on 1st January 2015. Like that, whatever sales happened on this particular date, it is mentioned in different records. Okay. Similarly, on 2nd January 2015, these many things happened. On 3rd, these many products were sold out. Like that, it is giving you a progress, what is happening in the company, right? Is it clear? Now you understood what is fact table and what is dimension table?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Like that, throughout 1 year data is there. When I will load it, I will show you up to December data is there. Okay. Okay, so this is our table, and in the here you can see from 1st January to December data is there. It is randomly arranged actually. Okay. See 12/29/2015. This is actually December data. Okay. 12 means December, the month, and 29, 2015. Like that data is there. Monthly data, daily data is there, we can say. Okay. So it is showing somewhat what is happening in the company day to day. It is showing us some kind of those data. So it is actually the fact table. So I will rename it as fact. Okay. Now, let us take another data set. I will take this CSV, then product category. Guys, please tell me that, yeah, it is coming. This is which type of table?
It's a fact table.
It's a dimension table again. See, the thing is that I will try to tell you with the help of this website itself. This is category names, right? Toy games, mobiles, laptop
Yes, ma'am.
accessories like that. And this is subcategories like PlayStation, drones, RC toys, soft toys, gaming accessories. Okay.
Yeah.
And here actually product category key one. One means bikes itself. I will show you how it is related. This is the subcategory names. This is the category key, and in that category, which subcategories are there, it is mentioned. Okay, in bikes, this mountain bikes, road bike, touring bikes, they are coming. Okay, I will load it and I will explain you. It's actually a dimension table. See, in a particular website, it may happen that, I mean, after a duration of time, things may change. But generally, there are some set of things that are constant for a long duration of time, isn't it? These are some kind of almost a static data. I'm not saying it's completely a static data, but it does not tell you that actually what is happening in the company. It is somewhat a supporting data. Okay, this also comes under the data. It is not at all, I mean, unnecessary things. It is necessary things, but it is not telling you what is happening in the company. What is happening in the company means what products are sold, what products are returned, like that, no? Isn't it all of you? It will show the progress of the company. See, if you're having company and lot of products are there, will that tell you that your company is doing really good? No, right? But if you're having a single product and it is being sold daily, then the company is doing really good, isn't it? You understood my point? These products and customer
Yes, ma'am.
labels are actually required things, but they are not directly required. They are required. They are linked to the fact table and dimension table. Okay, because they are, I will tell you some common columns are there through which they are linked to each other. Okay.
Ma'am, can I ask a question?
Yeah.
The HRX product data set we scrapped, that was a fact table,
That was a
right?
kind of, not, we can't say it is a fact table because
Or it was mixture of both.
it's a kind of supporting table. Fact table company will not reveal in front of you. What is happening in the company, that is top secret. Isn't it?
So
Like,
the product information that you're
yeah,
showing
product info, that is only the product information.
from the
Yeah, like in Deepavali sales, you can say many of the students of previous batch, they have done Deepavali sales. It shows the marketing strategy of the company. It helps us to understand the e-commerce nature, the e-commerce, how we should carry out our e-commerce website and all. It helps us in that particular thing. But if see, every company is having some kind of things within it that they won't reveal ever, right? So this fact table are
Okay.
kind of those data which directly shows the analysis of that company. Company will not reveal that in front of others or publicly. Okay.
Okay.
But we can learn from this web scraping that actually, I mean, which things are helping those company to run, which products they are focusing. We can actually learn some marketing strategy out of it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is product category. Now I will mention, see product category, product subcategory. Okay. Later we will join it and I will tell you how they are related. Okay. This one is dimension table only. Okay, next, all of you please tell me which kind of table the next one is. Okay, it's coming. Which kind of table it is? Clear?
Fact table.
Correct. It is a fact table. It shows some products that are returned, right? On first, they are rarely returned, but it's also an important thing. It's showing the which product key and what are the territory key, what is the territory key, what amount of products were there, and the return date. Okay. So load. So sales and return are some, I mean, in this particular case, sales and return are the fact table. Okay. Whichever things shows you that within a duration of time, timely what changes are happening and how the company is performing, those things actually depicts the information of fact table. Okay, so we are having two fact table and 4 dimension tables. Up to this, everything is clear, guys? See,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
product categories means bikes, components, clothings, and accessories. It's in number 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Okay. And regarding product subcategory keys, they are actually 1 means bikes. Okay. And mountain bikes, road bikes, touring bikes are available. And now you can see 2 means components. Okay. Here 2. These all and up to this, it's under 2 components. Okay. Brakes, chains, cranksets like that. And next thing is clothings. So whatever things are there, big shorts, caps, gloves, jersey, shorts, socks, ties. These are some clothings that are used by two-wheeler riders. Okay. And next is accessories. These many accessories are there like painters, pumps, locks, lights, like that. Okay. So it's simply just like our website. That is, these are some categories and this is the subcategory within it. Okay. Just like that. Okay, so we got this thing. Now I want to explain you about the two models. Okay, now it is clear to all of you that I hope that it is clear that what is dimension table and what is fact table. Okay. So there are two types of models. One is star model. Okay, star. So in stars, many rays are there, right? In between star will be there. It will be surrounded by rays, right? Rays emitting from it. So similarly, in between the most important, in the middle, the most important fact table will be there and it will be surrounded by dimension table like this. My voice is clear? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So it will be just surrounded by
Yes, ma'am. It is like
dimension table like this. Okay. This is what is star model. Right, like this. I mean, it's not necessary that all the dimension table and star fact table will be connected. It depends upon the common columns within them. Okay, so this is a star model. Okay, next one, it is very easy to make also. Next one is snowflakes model. Snowflakes model is the standard one which is used for data warehousing. So today we will be making a snowflakes model. Okay. right? So in snowflakes model, we will put all the, I'm sorry. We will put all the dimension table at the top. Okay. Put all the dimension table at the top and put all the fact table at the bottom. And they are simply connected with each other depending upon the number of similar columns they are having. Just like this. All the fact table are at the bottom and all the dimension table are at the top. And they will be somewhat connected. Okay, something like this. Is it clear what is star model and what is snowflakes model? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I will just clean this drawing and let us make the table. Okay. One more thing I want to tell you, automatically they will be connected with each other. This is model, right? When I will go to model, I can see they are connected with each other. Whichever similar columns are there, based on that, they will be connected to each other like this. Okay. So we will do one thing. We will put all the dimension table at the bottom. So sorry, dimension table at the top, because we are going to make snowflakes model. Put all the dimension table at the bottom, at the top, and put all the fact table at the bottom. Okay, fact table should be at the bottom. Dimension table will be there. Okay, like this. Okay, it is connected to both the tables because some common keys are there. So I will ask you which keys, like that. Okay. We will delete them and we will make them once again. Now every column is visible to all of you. Like whatever columns are there inside it, it's clear, right, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I'm going to delete them one by one and I will make the model once again. Okay, yes. Whatever connections are there, when you will move your cursor over there, it will get highlighted and then you have to right click and delete. If you want to delete that relation, later you can make it also. Okay, so what I'm going to do, guys, please tell me that in this particular table, a column is there which is also there in this table. Which column it is?
Customer key.
Correct. So you have to choose the customer key and you should drag it over here. Okay. Now the connection is made, right? And similarly, what I will do, this was also connected to this table, right? Now tell me what is the common column between them? Any idea?
Product key.
Product key.
Product key, correct.
Product
So
key.
I will put this product key over here. Right. And now in case of this table, it is also connected to this table. It is all having this product key, right? So this is how they are connected. One more thing I want to tell you, it is one-to-one connection. That means unique entities are appearing only once in this particular column, customer key. And here also it is appearing only once. Okay. And regarding the this one to many, star means many. Okay, one is written over here and star is written over here. That means one to many connections, right? And here product key is appearing only once because this is product table, right? So it will appear only once over here. And in case of sales, it is appearing multiple times because many customers can buy same product, right? Okay. And here also you can see product key is appearing many times in return table. And here it is appearing only once. So always the flow of direction is from dimension to fact table, isn't it? Is it clear? Now, one more thing. They are having common columns. And somehow if we will make a model and we are choosing some columns in this table, so somehow we will take the columns in this table also. Okay. So in this table, the common column is called primary key. So customer key is primary key over here and the same customer key is foreign key over here. Never ever use foreign key in your visualization or analysis. That will give you wrong results. So always hide it. Okay, so that it is not visible in your data set. Here in sales, you can see customer key is there, right? Now I can hide it. Somehow if I am taking the customer key in the visualization, it will give me some problems. So what I have to do is that I have to hide it. So there is an I button over here. When you will click over it, it will give
Ma'am,
there.
I have a question.
Yes,
Ma'am, can you explain again of primary key and foreign key?
in the dimension table, the common key is primary key, and in fact table, the same common key is foreign key. Foreign fact, FF. Remember like that.
Okay.
Okay. And here that key is primary key. And you should never use foreign key in your analysis. So always hide it like this. Okay. Here also product key, you need to hide it. Okay. And here product key, you hide it. Okay. Now when you will check those columns, it will not be there. Customer key, product key, and this product key. It will not be there in the fact table. Okay. I will go to this thing, and here you can see customer key and product key is no more there. It is hidden. So accidentally also I will not take it, right? So this is how we can avoid such kind of problems. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I ask a question?
Yes.
Like what sort of problems do we face if we don't hide them?
That I don't know. Actually, from my, mentors, I have understood that this will create some issues.
Okay.
Okay. So, now regarding this column, it is having some problems. Okay, we can transform it. Okay, let us go to transform data. And here, product category, it is having some column trick like that. It is the required thing 1, 2, 3, 4. It should not be like this. So in transform, we can transpose it. Okay, now it is appearing like 1, 2, 3, 4, and it is the category. Okay, so I will rename it as category key. Okay. And this one I will rename as category. Okay, so that's it. Let us close and apply this one. Okay, its changes are getting applied. Okay. So category key and this key, they got combined to each other. Okay, because they are the same only. Category key, that is 1, 2, 3. And this category key is also 1, 2, 3, 4, right? When you will go to the data set, product sorry. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Like what is the unique entities over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And here in the product categories, 1, 2, 3, 4. So they are the same only, that's why they got connected. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I will check out that thing, that what issues we can face, and we will discuss that thing in the next class. Like what are the issues due to this primary foreign key? Like if foreign key is appearing in the visual, what are the issue? I will check out that thing and I will let you know. Okay.
Okay.
So let us make some tables out of it. Like in case of sales, we will take this. First of all, let us take customers. Customer first name. Okay. And sales order quantity. And it is appearing like this. They are data from two different tables, right? Customer name and what are the number of items they have purchased, right? So this is how we can connect and we can make a new table out of it. Is it clear to all of you? A small
Yes,
data, a small table we have made out of two different tables, right? Only if they are connected, we can do like this. Otherwise, it will not give you data, right? So let us try to make other tables also, like in product subcategory. Okay, this is another table. See, actually, we have altered one table right now, right? See, what are the category and what are the subcategory? Earlier, we had that key only, isn't it, all of you? In the tables, here, we are having the category key and the category, right? So, guys, the session is going to end. So I hope everything is clear. If you're having any doubts, you can rejoin, okay? So in product category key, the name was not there. Category name was not there. Right now, what I have done, I have actually mentioned the category name as well as whatever is there in the subcategory. Is it clear to everyone?